Hey, good evening, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I think there's a bit. Hey, good evening, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, hold on one second. There's a problem. Test, test. Can anybody hear me? Okay. All right, I guess, but the song was duplicating too. All right, thanks you. Thank you. All right, how are you, everybody? Hello, I'm Steve Kalayjian, and welcome to my Fund the Future Asia session. What a beautiful short off the 15-minute time frame. NASDAQ, S&Ps, NASDAQ 29,460. You went into a sell here on the 30-minute time frame. And what do you look to do? You look at this beautiful short. Oh, my God. When the 30s reverse to sell, right? The 15s, right? You go into a sell disconnect. And what do you look at this beautiful bear flag? Here's one short, here's two short. Okay? Absolute great move there. Gold, looks like gold may want to take a long here soon. But look at the S&Ps, the same pattern. The S&Ps, okay, are negative on the 30-minute time frame. S&Ps are negative on the 60-minute time frame. And when the 60 reverses to sell, what do you look to do here at 4 o'clock? Well, you take the first short on the 15 right here. Here's one, here's two, and then gets absolutely kabooshed anywhere between 10 to 16 handles on the S&P. All right, we got the Nick game tonight. I'm sure everybody's going to be watching the Nick game. Gold. If this gold gets down to the 31.5, 37.5, you're going to get buy divergences on gold. Now, again, so you can see here on the gold, the 60s are still bullish, the 30s are still bullish. I'm looking at those yellow dots here, but you have negative MACDs here. So any push up on gold, I'll also be looking for shorts. Hope everybody had a, hey, I'm the big caboosher. Every trade was a short today. Oh my God. Every LC, Karina, how are you? Victor Alvarado, Knicks, 8:30. We got to be able to watch half the game when we get home, right? Probably. All right. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Wow. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here. NASDAQ pushed up here on the triple Indy. All right. We got to wait here. Market will open up here in a couple minutes here. Hello, everybody. And again, remember when Denny sends out the link, please, everybody, sign up. We're doing the 10 giveaways tonight. Okay. We're doing the 10 giveaways. Really important. Okay. Really, really, really important. Okay. All right. Okie dokie, schnokie. Hey, Pop Trader, how are you? Danny Trades, Visual Trader. What a short here, man. And they're off at Belmont. Let's see if this NASDAQ can get another push up. We got Micron trading up about 5 after hours here. We got SanDisk up another 8. Okay. Anyone see Baby Goat lately? Yes. I don't want to. Yeah, see, he had a family emergency. So just to let you know, okay? A family emergency. Okie dokie. All right. All right. Let's see. It's going to be kind of slow here tonight. I just think because of the basketball game. Cloudy. Oh my God. Billing. We got new people here. Street Beats. Cloudy. Billing. Nice to meet you. Apple's here. Jason. How are you, Jason? Visual Trader, Brad Allen, Zeph Side, Learn Trading, Mean Reversions, Adam. What's up? Hey, my buddy Southern Aussie. Okay. All right. Let's see if we get any type of push up here. Again, you got the 30-minute time frames getting overbought here. Okay, into the negative MACDs here. I want to see that right there. Yeah. So I want to show you this pattern from today, and it was off the 60-minute time frame. I mean, this was an absolute Picasso. You're getting overbought into the negative MACD here. I said it. The market's going to run into a brick wall, and boy, did it ever. The NASDAQ got up to 29,700, then dropped 300. When you see a negative MACD like this, look at the Q, 723, and got kabooshed almost $9. Again, this is a pattern, so anywhere from 1 to 8 bars. Okay, nice to meet you, Cloudy. Pipster, what's going on, brother? Brother Pipster. What about gold? I thought gold was a buy at 37.5. I cancel it. All right. So I guess what we're going to end up doing here tonight, okay, is probably just waiting around because I don't think a lot of things are going to go. Hey, SpaceX IPO. Did you see the welder who bought $10,000 worth of SpaceX as an employee, and now he's worth over $1 million just on the opening? Good for him, right? That's what I say. Good for him, right? Good for him. I like that. You got your first payout ever? There you go. There you go, David. There you go. That's awesome, David. That's awesome, brother. All right. Johnny Fonts, what happened to Apple? I guess they had that they had that conference and they didn't like what they were saying. Okay. Yeah, really happy. Can you imagine? That's really awesome, though, I have to say. That's really awesome. All right. NASDAQ going to get killed here. These 15s. NASDAQ, let me put the 1 minute time frame up here. Let's go 1 minute on the NASDAQ. Just hit 19 and then just dropped here. Took a nice little short. 41. Wow. Jesus, NASDAQ just hit 41 on that? Wow, that was hard. Just dropped 50. Again, you got the 15-minute time frames rolling over here. Wow, that just hit 50. Jesus. Is that right? Yep. Hit 41? Mm-hmm. Oof. Jeez, what a good short with the 15s rolling over. Huh? That would have been a great short there. Wow, I took my eye off it there. What's the bias today? I think we're lower. I see 41 as the high, 441. Just dropped 60. Wow, that's a cabooshin off the 15s. All right. If this NASDAQ probably gets down to the 29,000, I would go probably anywhere from the 35 to 65, 30 to 60 range. I would take a scalp long here. Again, you're making new lows here. Let's see if these MACDs non-confirm. 70. I'll just see. Wow, I didn't see. I love this 1 minute time frame. Iceman in the house. Iceman, what's going on, Iceman? Jordan FX. I'm ready. Up. Just ran here. All right, let's get a push up. See what happens here. Gold's setting up a bear flag here on the 5 minute. Let's see if this gold can get a little higher. Wow, what a short off this 1 minute time. I was trading Micron today off a 1 minute time frame. My guy thought I was completely crazy, right? What's the bias? I think down. I think the market looks like, I'm telling you, if it wasn't for the chip stocks today, market would have gotten absolutely kabooshed. Nope, I never would see that, right, Mikey Jop? Mikey Jacques. Wow, it just dropped 80 off this. Unbelievable. 93. If we get a look to scale out any long, 65 up to 75 here. Anybody who thinks the Knicks are going to win tonight? I don't think they're going to win. If I own tickets, I would hit the bid and go to Game 4. I go to Game 4, right? Anybody? I go to Game 4. Right? S&Ps, the Scott Caboose. Yes, S&Ps. Again, when you got the 15-minute time frame at 7:30, got overbought. That was a great short. You could take a scalp short only. I would scalp the gold 43.5 up to 49.5, 50. Okay, you're short NASDAQ. Good job, Iceman. Iceman. There goes the NASDAQ. All right. And again, a lot of people, I want to tell you, it's really not prudent, and I wouldn't do it, trade gold after 2:30 on any given day, right? I just don't think it's prudent, and I think you can get in a lot of trouble because of look at the NASDAQ just ran 20 here. Nick tickets. I say hit the bid. Whoa, NASDAQ. You long, Solomon? Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, raise your stop. Trade out. Oh, boom. You got to be out of that. 80. 83. You see how fast they move? And you got the negative MACD here. So, and the 15s are rolling over. So, all right. This gold just shot up to 45. Look to cover any shorts between the 41.5 and 43.5 range. Well, nice and cool in here tonight. And Henny. Right, Henny?
How do you say it's cool?
I think it's cool. I think it's very cool in here. Mm-hmm. What's up, NQ Futures, 2 Rogue? What are the 2 indicators? I have 4 indicators here. Okay. Your short gold 43.40. It's going to drop. Hey, Wolfman, what's going on? You ready for the World Cup? Let's do it. World Cup.
I don't look.
There goes the NASDAQ. Right back up. Oh, wow, right back down. You ain't kidding. Good Lord. What a short. Jesus. Oh, my God. Just dropped 40. This 1 minute time frame is insane. NASDAQ's dropping. Oh, my God. This dropped 50 on the 1 minute into the negative MACD. All right, if this NASDAQ gets down to anywhere between, I would say, the 95, even in 35, I would take a scalp long here. Okay. Again, you got these 15-minute, right? This NASDAQ 1 minute's crazy, brother. I was trading Micron and SanDisk on a 1 minute today. Are you crazy? You want to see my armpits on fire? No. Right? Oh, my God. How's my health? My health, God willing. I just got to lose a little weight. I got to start exercising more. If NASDAQ holds what? 330 can go to 440. Oh, yeah, I don't know if it's going to hold that, though. I don't know. Down 100 here. How about Sunday night? Got down to 28,825, and I blinked, and it ran like 150 points, right? I can't believe it. Baba, Artan, I was trading Micron and SanDisk for 1 minute today. I couldn't take it. I threw the towel in. I couldn't take it. Look at him go here. 40. Bear Trader. I can't read it, Bear Trader. Whatever you just did. All right. And remember when Denny signed up, I would cancel the buy. I cancel the buy. All right. Sunday was crazy, right? Journey, Palm Tree Trader, free falling. You passed 5 accounts, Serge Watt. Good job. All right, there you go. All right, so I got to tell you, there's nothing like trading, man. Really, right? There's nothing like trading. Hey, Anna Trading, how are you, Anna? There's nothing like trading. I mean, I could do it all day long. If I just had like 3 people next to me, oh my God. Oh my God.
Got two. You just
No, I'm talking about people who execute for me. Who just put this in? Who's this? Bear Trader? Bear Trader! Get in there, Bear Trader. Good job, Baba. All right. Ay, ay, ay. Bear Trader helps me with designs all the. How about the best one was with the Godfather. Look how they massacred my boy with the with the bull. Anybody see that on my Instagram? That was hysterical though. Right? Congrats, Bear Trader. Yep. Good job. All right. Past 5 accounts, Serge Watt. Good job. All right. Oh my God. I'll never leave. Arton and I will never leave. Forget it. NASDAQ just ran 50 here again. I'm not sure if this is going to be a short up here or not. This, yeah, gold's rallying here. Yep. You could take a scalp short on the gold here, 47.5 to 54.5. NASDAQ gets up to 90. If you want to take a scalp short on a 90 up to 15 on the NASDAQ. This 1 minute time. Mikey Jacques, this 1 minute time frame is crazy. Oh my God. I know, right? Oh my God. All right. NASDAQ just moved too fast. Jesus. Look at this thing. 25 in a blink. All right, I canceled the short there. Gold's going higher? Yeah, I think so. I think you get one more push down though. I think you got to get one more push down. Yep. So if you look at the gold, you can see the gold futures, the 60-minute time frames look like they're going to have a lot of support on the 40. So I think you're going to get a good push up. I'm just looking to see, all right, let's look to cover this gold at 46 here if you're short. I think you get one more push down, then I think you got a corn futures got absolutely caboose today. Really? Corn futures? Let me see. Do I even have corn data? I don't even know. I'll look. Corn. What the hell's continuous corn? Where do you see it got cabooshed? Let me see. It's daily. Oh God, yeah, it's been getting cabooshed. It's been getting cabooshed. Probably going to be a buy here sooner or later. Yes, sir. All right, let's go back to the NASDAQ here. Put the 1 minute back up. I think this, if you look at the gold, and I agree with Arton here, you can see the gold on the 60-minute time frame here. You can see the 60. You got this oversold, you make a new, look at this. These MACDs are positive. The 80X is off here. So, and then gold just on the NASDAQ, you can see the NASDAQ just did a double red short here, which means that the 5-minute time frame reversed to sell. If I can type, you can see the NASDAQ reverse to sell, and then you wait. So if this NASDAQ gets down to the, probably around the 07 to 47 range, you might get another long here. I still think, no, I think gold's going down, Baba. But we'll see what happens. Hope everybody had a great, please somebody keep me abreast of the Nick game. So one of my guys has 4 tickets to the Nick game, and I told him I would sell them. And he went completely bananas on me. He says, "Are you crazy? We've owned these tickets since 1990. Another friend of mine has, how many home games are there? 40? 40 home games on the visitor side, 4 rows behind the visitor team, $285,000 for 4 tickets. You know what those must be going for? Imagine paying it, writing a check for $285,000 for 40 home games. Doesn't, right? NASDAQ, I said I looked to buy it here below 47. It just got down to 46, 47. If you want, you could just scale out longs here. Can you believe, Baba? Even if I was a billionaire, I wouldn't buy tickets like that. No, I wouldn't. No. Look, there goes the gold dropping here. All right. I would not. I'm not. I would not. I swear. Look, this is the Bible. I swear. No, I'm telling you, I would not spend. If I was worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 billion, I wouldn't buy tickets like that for $285,000. Number one, I don't like the sport.
Okay, that's different.
No, but I just don't like the sport. And number two, I'd rather give it to charity.
Okay.
I'm being truthful. I just wouldn't do it.
I believe it.
If you had $3 billion, you would buy tickets?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm just being truthful. Not me. It's not who I am.
I'm not that kind of person. But
I know. I get it.
I had them in use.
The Rockets?
Yeah.
Really? All right, NASDAQ, again, if you're long here at 47, I would just scale out the longs here. All right, gold got down to 44, and I think that should do it.
That's where I grew up.
I know. Yeah.
It's hot in this place.
No, it's actually, I'm freezing. I need a jacket on. It's crazy. I gotta clean my glasses. They're dirty. Oof. It is hot in here, though. All right. I hope everybody had a great day today. Right? I'm agreeing with you, Tucker. Oh, Trucker Tom. I agree, Charles Jolly. GQ, what's going on? Gordon's gonna be crazy. Who cares? In 50 years, nobody remember. Right? That's Arton and I's favorite line, right? In 50 or 100 years from now, nobody would even care, right? Unbelievable.
About anything.
Oh, about anything. That AMD today, that AMD was an animal with a capital A. I'm telling you, I can't even see myself buying a stock up 23. How about SanDisk? Up 128, and then it drops 50. I hope you guys realize, right? I also have a. It doesn't matter. I hope you guys. I also have a podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. I hope you guys.
What time is it?
It's on anytime after 6:00. So it depends when it gets edited, and it's not live. It just gets edited and then posted. We're still trying to work on this this event in Vegas.
There's this event in Vegas.
No, that's not going to be till September, though.
I'm not coming.
His head's going back and forth.
He loves it.
No, he doesn't.
I promise you.
You think so?
He loves it.
Use your hand.
He loves it.
Oh my God. Right, boo boo.
The other day I was doing it, and every time I stopped, he took his foot and grabbed his back.
He whacked you? He whacked you if you stopped?
He wanted more.
Yeah, he's a good boy, my boy. All right, let's see if this gold can drop one more time here with these 5-minute time frames. All right, here goes the gold dropping. These fives are going to start rolling over one more time. Then up to 47.5. Very quiet here. S&Ps, what are they doing here? Oh. Going right back down, S&Ps. Down 19. Wow, good job.
Oh, there we go.
What, gold?
Yeah.
You short? Just. Oh, wow, that's awesome. Lone Wolf. That's great job, Lone Wolf. Again, if this NASDAQ, let's see, this NASDAQ gets down to the 0545, I think you're going to get one more push up here. These MACDs are not confirming this low here. We'll see. Gold just dropped about 4. COA made no breaking rules. Corp trades. I don't know. S&Ps, I probably, if you go down to the 90, 95 and a half, NASDAQ wants to fill the gap at 330. Okay. Look at this gold drop. Oof. I set the cover at 46 though, but all right. Just dropped 5. Vegas, Vegas, Vegas. Hey, AD, what's going on? Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Get in there, bear trader. All right, let's see if we get any type of push up here. 15-minute time frames. This was a really great double red short here on the 5. Let's just go back to the 1 minute here. Here we go. Look to get out any longs here. 40, I go 43, 45 up to like 55, 60 if it gets up there. There you go. Boom. See where you have to have offers out? See? See how you have to have offers out? See, it just went to 53. It jumped like that. Get in there, bear trader. All right. Vegas, Vegas, Vegas. Yes, sir. Vegas, Vegas, Vegas. Here we go, our time. Here's your 330. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed just now. Where's the bear? Okay, Moon Boy. He can see a 1500 on eval. My fund the futures isn't looking good, too good. Only 1500. Nope. Come on, Moon Boy. What are you doing here, Moon Boy? Come on, Moon Boy. If this NASDAQ gets down to the even to 330, again, I'd be taking scalp longs here. Gold absolutely kabooshed. All right, next. I still thought the 5s were going to roll over one more time here. All right. So anyway, anybody new here? Anybody new here today? Anybody new here today? You could text me your full name and email, and I'll send you the 5-day free trial to 914-500-7484. Okay, if you guys, anybody would like a 5-day free trial. I'm feeling great. Okay, Jamal Bond, how are you? Bear Trader is good, man. So what I want to say here, okay, you want to say here, thank you, David. Thank you, David. You can't wait for football to return? Look at this NASDAQ pushing up here. Look at this NASDAQ pushing up to return, pushing up here. S&Ps, you could just probably look to sell 96 and a halves to 97 and a halves. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at you long? No?
I'm kind of ordering. I just.
Okay. You're long at 34? All right, well, just, dude, you got to have offers out there. Just, okay, well, I don't know. I mean, yeah, boom, see, right back down. It went to 49. 34 to 49 is a pretty nice move, you know? That's what I'm just trying to say. Got to have offers out there. All right. This 1 minute. I can't believe I was trading Mike Ron and SanDisk off a 1 minute time frame today. Unbelievable. Well, you got to respect the rules, right? Oh my God. Friday? Oof, I can't remember. I don't know. I don't even know. Are you listen? I don't even know. I just don't know. I don't know how many. All right, I don't know how many trades I take in a day. I would sell long 95 and a half. And probably I said, well, it got up to 96, 95 and a half to 97. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. Kaboom! There you go. See, I told you to make a new lows non-confirmation here. If you're still long, I'd be scaling out the longs here. Oh, forget it. Lucky, how are you? Wow, look at them go. Look at them go. Look at the NASDAQ and S&Ps. There you go. Who got the long? Everybody welcome. CVXCFX. Jesus. Okay. Wow, look at them go. Look at them go. I love this. Baba, I love this 1 minute time frame. Baba. Artan, I love this woman. Look at this gold down 7. 6.5. Huh?
You said you love this.
I said I love this 1 minute.
You said you love this.
What woman am I talking about? I said I love this 1 minute. I didn't say that, did I?
You play the beat.
Oh my God. Yeah, I just thought that the 5 minute time frame was going to roll over, and it did. I said that I love this 1 minute.
Okay.
You think I said I love this woman? What woman am I talking about? All right, there's the link right there. Sign up.
That's what it sounded like.
Okay,
I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
NASDAQ, S&Ps, kaboomed. You thought I said woman too? Keelan? Which I have no idea. I
being delirious.
I'm exhausted at the end of the day. All right, you trade Sandisk Micron and AMD.
Well, I had to go home.
I'm shot. Oh my God. It doesn't matter. Yes, sir. Oh my God, right back down. 70 to 50. Look at this. Baba, look at this 1 minute time frame. It's moving like water. That's why the S&Ps move like molasses at times, man. You know. Where is the link? You have to go to My Fund of Futures YouTube and sign up for the link. Okay? All right? Done, bro? What happened, Shahid? Really? What woman? I have no idea. I said 1 minute, I thought. I don't know. I don't know. No, I don't. No, I don't. All right. So let's just be a little cognizant here. We'll just stick our minds to the trading here mostly. Okay. I meant to say 1 minute. Okay. Look at this 1 minute. That's what I meant to say. All right. Anyway, it's the accent, right? Street Beats. All right. They don't understand I got the Bronx accent, right? Pactoon, right? The woman is the NASDAQ. I don't know. NASDAQ's an animal. Forget it. This thing's an animal. Look at this. Jesus. 67, 70, 60. Oh, my God. Look at the gold. Look at this gold, Baba. Oh, my God. Down 7. Heard it in a 1 minute. Look at this 1 minute time frame. I can't believe I was looking at Micron on a 1 minute time frame today. Look at this thing. Jeez. Look at this. Boom. Boom. Sell 46s. Buying back. Boom. Selling here. Go long here. Short them here. Short 43s. Buying back at 39s. 40s. Are you kidding me? Baba. Micron. It was so fun. Short the world, Baba. I agree. Soon. We're going to get killed. All right. This NASDAQ gets up to the 78 level. Oh, Jesus. I took my eye off it here. Down 15. All right. Oh, my God. 20 down. Oh, wow. Short the world. Missed that short on 20. Oh, boy. There it is.
I just barely.
Oh, wow. Said the 1 minute. Oh my God, 78. Jesus, down 30. Ay, 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 ay. Oh yeah, I agree. Short the world. Uh-huh. Anybody get that short up here? 78, 75. I looked at Micron and said like an idiot. Gold down 8. Oh boy. Gold down 8. I love when they go. I love when they gap up. Look at this. Oh my God, 40. Oh my God, 50. It's gonna be 50 in a minute. Oh my God. All right, if this NASDAQ gets down here to the 90-20 range, I would look to take a long here, scalp long. This was a great short at 78. Jesus. All right, if it goes down to probably the 95-25 range, the 15s are getting oversold. Got 29s? Again, you're making new lows here. The MACDs couldn't confirm the low here. How does that happen? 78. Look at this. 20 up, right back up. Oof. And right back down. I don't understand what's going on. Of course you don't understand what's going on. Okay? It takes time to learn, right? It takes time to learn. If you want the 5-day free trial, it starts every Monday. If you want, just text me your full name and email, and I can talk to you about it after the show. Okay? What do you think? You're going to learn what I know in 44 years in 18 minutes?
I've been here 3 weeks.
He's here from Thailand, and he's just getting it. Okay? Okay? But no, but it's not really that. It is pretty simple, though. Okay? On the double red short, the S&P's got up to probably the even handle, just dropped 7 on that. You can see, again, if this is called the double red short right here. The 5's reversing to sell, correlating with the 15, 30, and 60. The S&Ps, but they just push up to even. They get up to on this bear. Oh my God, 01s, down 8. All right. Wow, this gold just got absolutely kabooshed. My God. All right. NASDAQ just dropped 60 from here to here. Oof. No, the nighttime you can. Yeah. All right. So, hope everybody had a great day today. Shimya, what's going on, Shimya? Linda, NQ. Yep. That was some short off this 1 minute. 78. This guy jumped. All right. See what's going to happen here. You could look to scale out here, 20 to 25, 30 range if you're long. See here. Just got down to 11. So if you're scaling in that range, you should have offers out here, okay? You should have offers out and then raise your stop here, okay? Mario, look at him go, Mario. I'd be scaling out of longs here.
It's been a lifesaver.
What?
It's been a lifesaver. It's changed my whole game.
What, the scaling?
Scaling in and scaling out.
So what'd you learn? The scaling in, scaling out, no market orders, limit orders, right? And what's the third? The Dom? No. So is the scaling in?
Scaling in, scaling out.
No, but that's not what we talked about before. The limit orders.
Limit order.
I know. I don't see a bull flag on the NASDAQ. That's not a bull flag, Mario.
What else?
I don't think that's a bull flag.
Gold. God darn it.
Scaling in, limit orders.
Oh, and rotating accounts.
Rotating accounts, right. That's it. So those 3 things should really make a very big difference here, right? Oh, we had the Big Mike. What a steak last night. Oh my God.
Everything else you can put.
No, I agree. S&P is down 10 here on the double red short. NASDAQ on the double red short as well, 78 down to 12. So scaling in and scaling out using limit orders, right, and rotating accounts. Absolutely the three key essential things if you're trading prop, period. Or if you're trading your own account. Okay? If you're trading prop, okay? I don't know. You know what it is though? I'm missing a lot of trades, so I'm just trying to read the 1 and the 5 minute time frame combined. Okay? So it's not that you know, what happened, Henny? What happened? Pushing some water. Pushing some water. Come.
Yeah, here we go.
This NASDAQ gets down to the 88 to 08. I look to take another long here. These 15s are getting oversold here. So I'll show you a really great pattern on Micron on the 15-minute time frame today at the end of the day. So Micron got this really deep oversold condition. It's bullish on the 15, 30, and 60s. And look what Micron did. 28, ran 20 in literally in 45 minutes. In 45 minutes. Wow, Jesus. NASDAQ just ran 30. I just took my eye off it. All right. All right, I canceled the buy range on the NASDAQ. It just, bye-bye, it's holding here. Let's see, these 15 should get one more push up here. Gold just ran about 7 on that. Maybe 6.5. Bullish, right? Why rotate accounts? Isn't it better to copy trade the accounts than place the individual trades on each account? Yes, I agree. But a lot of people who start, I don't think they should be I don't think that they should be using 5 accounts at once. I think what you do is you have one account the way Raphael did it. You have one account, you make a couple hundred, you go to another account, couple hundred, you go to another account, and then you rotate back. And then after 22 to 30 business days, you get past your evaluation stage and you start, moving up here. Right? What's the next thing you do? Right? What's the next thing? Then you could buy 5 accounts and then link them. And then keep the other accounts. That's what I think is prudent. That's just, that's what I think. Johnny Fonz, how you feeling, brother? What? I just think that's the bear flag here. This NASDAQ gets down to the 05. I go like 80 to 05 level. The NASDAQ. This gold just dropped again, 3. You're short? You gotta be careful. These 30 and 60-minute time frames. So if gold drops, you would want to buy the gold. 09 here. All right. So you got the bear flag on the double red short on the NASDAQ. S&Ps got up to 01, got down to 91. Right? Southern Aussie, singles and doubles, right? Exactly. You go 1, make maybe 50, 80, 100, 120, 150. Boom, you go to another account. Boom, you go to another account. Boom, you go to another account. And just keep rotating. I think it just alleviates a lot of stress for people. That's all. NASDAQ, I would go 80 to 10 on the NASDAQ. These 15s are going to turn up here, I think. They just got down to 08. I said the 05 handle. Look at them go. 20. Oh, my God. They'll be up 20 at 30. Jesus. Next. There's 20. All right. Damn it. Right? Yeah. Singles and doubles. So then, oh, my God. Look at them go. 20 here, 20 there, 20 here, 20 there. This NASDAQ's a beast. Right? Okay? Oh, wow. NASDAQ just rallied 30. I agree with 40 Kau. You need to prove you can trade consistency before you copy trading a prop. So I agree. Thank you. And that's what I'm saying. Why go and buy 5 accounts if you're not consistent? How about just making sure you know what you're doing, okay? Oh my God, Nasdaq just dropped, rallied 30. How Shahid? Am I saying it right? Shahid. These 30-minute time frames was keeping the market from getting kabooshed here. Okay. All right. They just ran about, geez, look at this. They just ran 37 here. All right. One account gets the job done. I totally disagree with you, but that's fine. I wish you all the best. Okay. I don't think one account does it. I think a lot of people struggle with one account. And I'm not an affiliate. I'm not asking people to sign up using a code. I don't do things like that, right? I'm just telling you, just from my experience in seeing people who have bought 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 accounts that I've talked to, okay? All right? All right? So I just think nothing in silver. They killed the silver, Iceman. They killed the silver. Enough with silver. Silver is finished. All right? Gold dropped again, 5 here. Oh boy, I don't think we're going to get that low again with these 15s here. There they go. There's gold. If Nasdaq hits 48, they'll be up 30 from here to here. James Dean, good job. Look at how they massacred my. You see that one? That was Bear Trader. He designed that for me with the bull laying down and Marlon Brando from The Godfather saying, "Look at how they massacred my boy." That's hysterical, though. I have to say that was a good one. I sent that to some top people. All right, right back down 20. All right, Jesus. Let's see if we get S&Ps. Look, I mean, look, the S&Ps, what they do, 93 to 01 down. I mean, let's just see, even the 1 minute S&Ps, I don't even think they move that much, to be honest with you. I mean, what do they go here? 96, 93, they move. The Nick game starts at 8:30, right? Anybody got the score? Anybody got the score in the Nick game? Can somebody keep me up, please? Jesus. What's going on with NASDAQ? Did you see that, Palm Trader? Was that ingenious? Yes, JMC 640826. Yes. Okay. You could just text me and I'll talk to you about that. 914-500-7484. JMC 64. Okay. It was you, Fredo. You broke my heart. You broke my heart. Hasn't tipped off yet. What about oil? I'm not looking at oil tonight. Not looking at oil tonight. Look at the NASDAQ go. These 15s are going to turn right up. Oh, Jeff C. Yes, Jeff, text me. 914-500-7484. All right. Look at these 15s. See, that's why I was calling the longs down here. See that? Bear Trader, take that scene right there with Michael Corleone and put the bear or the bull next to it. Bear Trader. Okay? Bear Trader, can you hear me? Oh, that'd be hysterical. Oh my God, that would be hysterical. Bear Trader. Bear Trader, are you here? Take that scene right there, and instead of Fredo, put the bull or the bear. That's hysterical. All right, this NASDAQ gets up to the 55, 56, 55, up to 85, 86. I would take a short. Okay, Bear Trader, you see that? Keep Michael Corleone, right? And then get the bull and the bear. 55's here. That'd be hysterical. Wow, they just dropped 10. Just dropped 10. All right. If you're short of 55s, it might have been ahead. I would just cover below 40. If not, I would cancel. Okay. You missed that short, Kobop? Papa Trump's in the house. Forget. Oh my God. 20 on the NASDAQ. You see that?
I'm in.
No, forget it now. You never drop. I cancel. Dropped. Forget it. Next. Next. All right. NASDAQ. All right. You should sign up for the My Friend the Futures account. It's in there. The link. Hurry up. Hello. It might be over. Right here. You see it? Right here. Right here. You better sign up. Okay? You're out there talking to your son, so you know.
Okay.
All right. Are these people crazy with the door like that? What about NASDAQ? What about NASDAQ? I think this 08 should hold here. Gold's going to sit for long. Another short just dropped 7. The link is gone? Okay. Yeah. So every night he posts it between, like, I don't know, 8:20 and 8:40. So you have to sign up. He only leaves it open for 10 minutes. Okay? All right. Thank you. All right. NASDAQ just dropped 30. Knicks will win 100%. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I do not know about that. If this NASDAQ gets down to the 10 handle again, I would look to go long 29,280 to 29,310. Oh boy, there it goes. There it goes right back up. Jesus, 24. Look at this. 30 down, 20 up. Oof. Come on, 345 people. Let's go. What? Now, look at the 15s. They're going to turn up here. That's what I'm saying. There's too much money. They don't want this thing to end in 4 games. They need to 5 they break even. I read 6 they make a little, 7 they kill it. So figure it out. Okay? Figure it out. They're not making this thing end in 4. No way. No way. So far, we're down 2 million. Right? We're down a 2 million.
Yeah.
We're down 2 million. Look at them rally. Jeez. All right. We're down 2 million. Levi and I, on every game 4, we said we take the other team.
Game 7.
Every game 4.
Game 6.
No, every game
right,
4.
Right. New York. That's right.
Yes.
New York.
We would bet against them on every game 4. And we got killed.
This is game 3.
I'm saying, and I'm betting the Spurs. Double or nothing. 2 million or 4 million.
Okay, I bet you.
Okay, you got it. You bet the Knicks tonight?
Yeah.
No way. I think the Knicks are going to lose. Knicks in 6. See? I agree. I think the Spurs are going to win. I'm telling you, if I had tickets tonight, I'm hitting the bid. Make 45,000.
Yeah.
No way. No way am I going to a game 3. Even if I had...
I'm not going to a game in Madison Square Garden.
Well, I will tell you, I went to game 7 of the Rangers Vancouver Canucks in '94. That was pretty insane. That I have to say was pretty insane. All right, if this NASDAQ gets up to 55 to 85, 90, I look to take a short again. You got the, look at this, 57. I can't even speak that fast. All right. Waiting for the link. Oh my God, it just dropped 20. Jesus. Jeez, oh my God, 30. Jesus Christ. I missed that one. Wow. Just 1 minute. I got to pay attention. You got to be zero focus. No more talking about that. I'd cancel this. Look at this thing drop. Look at this. Oh, now you got to, I would look to buy between 80 and 10 handle. 80 and 10 handle. If it drop, oh my God, 40 down. This is insanity. Unbelievable. Kabooshed. It's rigged. I know. Absolutely. Let's see if we get one more push down here. Gold. What's it doing? It's got to be bought on the next pullback. Let's see here. Okay, talk about the free trial. What do you want to know? You text me your full name and email. I send you a link. We send that out every Monday. You start it every Monday. It gives you access to my live stream every day on Discord from 8:30 to 4, and it gives you access to my Discord chat where you can ask me questions. You don't get the 5-day. You don't get the educational videos or the courses, or you don't get the chart overlay. It's just to see how you like the trading, the methodology, the patterns, the scalp trading. Period. Okay. All right. And if you like one, you could just text me and I'll send it to you, and you start it every Monday. Okay. Oh my God, Iceman. 29,000. Did you see that 60-minute sell divergence, Iceman? Unbelievable. Look at this NASDAQ 55. That's twice. It's twice. Just. You got 10? You got filled at 10?
No, I got one.
No, 10.5 is the low. If Asian market goes above or below the close.
Let's see.
Oh my God, half a point.
4, 5 times it's.
All right. Good night, Palm Trader. No, it's faster. The New York session's a lot faster. Faster stocks, index futures, commodity futures, underlying ETFs, options. We're doing it all. Everybody. It's just, you're probably getting anywhere between, 4 to 8, 5 to 10 great pattern trades a day. And then depending on volatility, it could be anywhere from 15 to 50 scalp trades a day. All right, I canceled the buy here. It got down to 10.5, just ripped 15. Again, these 15s are getting oversold here, so it just ran 17 on the NASDAQ here. S&Ps are not even moving. You know that?
That's the 5th time.
No. 10.5 was the low.
To move it up a little bit. As soon as I did.
Well, I should have went to. No, I thought 10 was the right number because the old number was 08,
No,
right?
I didn't take
0875. The link is closed. Correct. Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4. Period. Okay? Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 4. 33. Hey, Brave Day. What's going on, Brave? I would cancel the buy. 73.85 S&Ps. It could get there. It could get there, especially with the 5th. It could get there. I think this NASDAQ's got a chance to break 300, though. So maybe that's a blessing, not the... I think this NASDAQ can get down to 95, 29,295. Did the Knick game start or Papa Trump's causing havoc?
it.
19-9, the Spurs.
Oh, my God.
All right, I would take a long here on the NASDAQ. All right, 68-98. The Spurs are up by 10. I knew it. Up by 10. I'm telling you I'm going to be right.
Long game.
I would have hit that bid in 10 seconds. 03. All right. Where's the big bear flag? I think NASDAQ, I think Acer gains. I think NASDAQ's going, if I had to guess here on the weekly chart, I think it's going right here. 27,300. Got Phil where? I didn't get down to 98. All right, I canceled the buy range. It just ran 15. Papa Trump got booed mercilessly. Throw him in jail? No. That's not cool. Rubber, that's not cool, Baba. Come on. Okay. All right, NASDAQ just ran here 17. Oh, there it goes. I had the right idea. 03 to 30. Look at this. 27 up. Again, these 15s. All right. Up. There it goes. Missed it. There goes the gold right back up. Gold just ran 3. Wow, 30 up. Wow, 40 up. Wow. I knew that 15s. Okay. What about S&Ps? They're not even moving. They just move like 3. Nothing. Look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ moves 40, and then S&Ps move 2.5.
Oh.
Wow, look at this NASDAQ. Look at this NASDAQ. We don't know if he's trading the markets, and we don't know if his people are. We're just all speculation. Okay, I'm not agreeing with you. I'm just saying, you got to be careful. Right? Wow, look at that NASDAQ. 03. It's going to run here. Look at them go. Look at them. 50 up, 60 up. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at these 15s. If this NASDAQ gets up to 75, 78, I look to short to 08. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, 63.
Gotta have
Look at this, 30. What?
I'm talking to myself.
Got to have multiple screens.
I know it.
Oh, brother.
I went all over.
I said 98. Look at this, and then it got down to 03. And my first one was to go 10, right? All right. Next. S&Ps, what they just do here? What the S&Ps just rally about 4 here? They rally here. 90. They ran 9 handles. If this S&Ps get up to the 99 area to 05, I think it's a short. If that's true, Ryan, that's terrible. I seen him drive by twice right in front of me on Donald Ross. 24-13 Spurs. I told you. Hands down. Bet the Knicks. Good. You know, just for that, they should lose.
Double or nothing.
Boom. No. Got the short in the NASDAQ?
Yeah,
All right. I cancel the short. Jesus, just dropped 25, 20. He was found guilty of 34 felonies. Okay. All right. I really want to talk about this, but you really should do your facts. You had 2 district attorneys against him, okay, making up charges, but I don't want to get into this, okay? Rubber, 1503. I mean, come on. All right, they've been going after this guy since the beginning, and the reason being is they don't want to be caught. Look at all the fraud being caught, okay? Biased judges, okay? Come on. The bottom line is they didn't want this guy elected for one reason, because of all the nonsense going on. All right, so let's just end it. This is trade. Forget about that. I wish, okay. It's really just let's leave the politics out of this, okay? Meanwhile, I missed the short by a nickel here. Okay. Yep. I don't want to get into it, Vaughn. Come on. Okay. Focus on trading, boys. No politics, no nothing. NASDAQ, if you're short, S&Ps, if you sold 99s, there goes the gold. Told you that. Yeah, our time. I knew that. He's right. The 15 and the 60-minute time frames. I heard there was an earthquake in Coral Gables, right?
What's that?
Caboose to politics. I agree. You caboose the politics. Right? Oh, Jesus, 30 on the NASDAQ. That's like 4 times. I missed the long, I missed the short here. I was 75. Here, 55, 57. Oh my God. She did? Fill the coolers. What a short. Wow. Focus on trading. What's the score of the game? Najee, good job, Najee. Oh, not happening.
It's 24.
How much are they losing? Oh, wow. Anybody short the S&Ps? You should just be covering below 96 here if you sold 99s. Wow, right back up. This Nasdaq's going to push up to like 80, 78. If it gets to 78, 80, I look to short it up to 08, 10. Look at the gold rally. 70 again on the Nasdaq. Najee, great job, Najee. Shorted the euro. Got to fade the pop. You got to fade the pop. That's twice 70 here. Gold making new highs here. Gold. That 60-minute time frame. Gold went from 42 all the way up to 52 here. Nasdaq, I would cancel the short. Jesus Lord. Oh my God. 78, 70. Just drop. Nasdaq's moving 50 to 20 every clip each way. Unbelievable. I should trade the euro all the time. What's the score to the Nick game?
30-19.
Down by 11. They're not winning tonight. Look at this Nasdaq down 40. You gotta be. Anybody short the Nasdaq here or here? On the double red short. What a double red short. Jesus, off the fives. Nasdaq, S&Ps hit 99. Again, I said I look to cover below 96. Good job, Sinister Sauper. Good job. No, stay there. No, I'm good. No, I'm good, thank you. Okay, boo-boo. So, you hear that Henny growl?
Yeah.
The Henny growl's brutal. Did you hear that Henny growl just now? Oh my God, that Henny growl. Go get him, Henny. Did you hear that Henny growl? That growl, I'm telling you, people would run. That's a good boy. Daddy loves you. I love it. Daddy loves you. Love my boy. I love my boy. I love my. Oh God. Jimmy, you hear that growl? Woo! And he's like, I'm not, don't mess here. Right? Good Lord. There they go. They're up by 12? You're watching the game?
No.
Oh. Right. I think the Spurs are going to kill him today. I do really do. If the Nasdaq gets down to the even to 30, I'd look to buy it here. I think these 15s and 30s are going to turn up one more time. Double red short. You want to see if you get one more push up. Gold went to 51. That was a short. Damn it. All right. S&P. Hey, Robert Phillips. Everybody, welcome Robert Phillips. Boy, when Henny growls, it's over. Right? That was some mean growl, my Henny. Get it. Why are you sure? Where's Justin with my cable? It doesn't matter. Where's my cable? Wow, there goes the Nasdaq right back up. Jesus. All right, I cancel the buy range. I guess we're gonna have to look to short them again here soon. The moving average. I think this can get up. This Nasdaq can get up to 80, 85, up to 15. I'd look to short them if they get up there. Nasdaq has a lot of great patterns tonight here. A lot of great patterns. Today is such a bad Asia day. Why? What are you kidding me? Why do you say that, Corp Trades? No way. Huh? No way. No way. No, he's saying it's the Asia session is bad. All right. Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq, get to 80. Again, I told you these 15-minute time frames here. Gold was along at 46. The double blue. See how the 5 correlated with the 30 and the 60? So if this gold gets to 40 and a half, 46 and a half, I would take a short. 85. Can't believe it. I told you. I missed that long down there. Nasdaq, gold just ran 4. You could look to cover Nasdaq anywhere between the 65 and 80 range if you're short. 65 and 80 range. You bought the gold on the pullback. I told you those 60-minute time frames. I know. I told you those 60-minute time frames, and even Arton agreed the market's going to turn up. There goes the Nasdaq. Wow, look at the drop. Nasdaq. Yep. There it goes. Wow, Nasdaq. Whoa, Nasdaq all the way down to 63. Drop 20. I short them again up there, 85 up to 15 on the Nasdaq, or 90 up to 20. Okay, gold missed it by about 80 cents on the long. S&Ps you can short here. I would look to short 02 up to like 07. Spurs up 11. Yep, I knew it. No way the Knicks are going to win tonight. No way. Nope. Wouldn't it be hysterical if they lost the series? Ha! Up 2 and they lose 4 straight. My steak dinner was great. Look to cover some NASDAQ here, anywhere between the 65 and 80 range. 65 and 85. Gold making new highs here. Gold just ran 12 here. Bye-bye NASDAQ. Gold, I would take a scalp short 53 up to 59. NASDAQ just dropped about 17 here. Okay. I love this woman at NASDAQ. It's an animal. It belongs in a cage.
I know it.
This 1 minute time frame.
That's all I ever.
Well, if you trade the 1 with the 3 with the 5, ooh, any more screens, right? It didn't drop 20. This didn't drop 20 here. Where? It dropped 18. Sorry. Let's see. 60. What was this? 85 to 63. That's not 20. I thought that was 20. That was 20. $53. I wouldn't. It's 53 up to 59. See the 30-minute, 15-minute time frame. That's why it was calling longs down here below 10, and I thought maybe right here 98 and the low is 03. Was it right here? I think it was right here 03, 03 and a half. Okay. I'm seeing things not there. Johnny Dundee, what are you talking about? What, this didn't drop 20 from here to here? That's not 20, 94 to 78. So that's what, 16? Or here, 75. How am I seeing things that are not here? Okay, don't be disrespectful, okay? That's not don't do that. Okay? All right, gold just dropped 5. Should I be exact? 53 to 48 on the gold. Wow, look at are you short gold? Look at this thing drop. All right. NASDAQ off this high, 94 to 74. All right. Gold just dropped 5. Let's see here. All right, there. Oh, yeah, those 15-minute time frames are gonna. If this NASDAQ gets up to even to like 30, I would take the short. And again, when I say even to 30, you're talking 29,400 to 430. Now, you try to, when you do the NASDAQ, and you go every 10 points on the NASDAQ, okay? Here we go, 400. If this thing can drop here. Look to cover anywhere between the 88 and 98 range. Again, these 15s really, NASDAQ just ran 100 off the low. The low is 03. So probably look to cover anywhere between the 90 and 400 range here. Let's go. I told you these 15s were going to turn up. Just ran 100 points in 1, 2, 3 bars, 45 minutes. We'll see. I don't know. We're negative on the 60-minute time frame on the NASDAQ here. The 60s just reversed the sell right here. Look. And the other thing is when you were making new lows here, the MACDs did not confirm the lows here on the 60s. So that's why another reason why you ripped 100. The gold, the gold got down to the 46.5 on the double blue. So this is a double blue buy here. Missed it by 20. This ran 6. If you look here, okay, wow, NASDAQ, S&Ps, what's going on here? Just ripped. Yeah. Wow, look at the NASDAQ. Okay, S&Ps and NASDAQ, if you got stopped, I would just probably look to short the S&Ps here. 16 up to 22, NASDAQ 60 up to 90. Wow, what a jump. Where'd that come from? Something must have just came out because gold just ripped 10. Wow. And it was just like it was just very close to covering. Look at this. 02 on the NASDAQ. Look at this. See if this NASDAQ can get one more push down here. Bye-bye, NASDAQ. No, NASDAQ. What the hell did that come from? Something must have just came out. See if this thing can drop. Look to cover between 35 and 55 range if you're short. S&Ps anywhere between the 13 and 15. All right, I would probably reshorted it, Chris. The war is over. We won again. NASDAQ, S&Ps, gold just dropped 4. Again, those 15-minute time frames turning up. That's what did it. Oh, here it is. Central Genesis Bank injects 1.5 billion yuan. Okay. Unbelievable. If you get the 60s reversed to sell, so go figure. I still think they're going to drop hard here. Gold just dropped 4. Were you short NASDAQ? Where? 34. 44? 34. Could have shorted more. 70? Drop. Yeah, I don't know what the hell this pencil come from here. Just ran 59 handles here out of nowhere. Injects 1.5 billion yuan. Oh my God. If it drops, I would discover it. You got to fade the pop. You got to fade the pop. I don't think so. I think it was news. I got a little bull flag here on the 1 minute. Be careful. Got down to 43. But you're still negative on all three time frames here, 15, 30, and 60. Wow, Spurs 40, 38? No. Well, if you got stopped on that, which is okay,
Yeah,
I mean,
40,
0-2.
38.
Huh?
40, 38.
Wow, they can't believe they came back. Where are you short? 44? Make sure you have bids there. And I told you those 15s were going to turn up, but I didn't expect them to turn up. I'll just drop a little bit. Got a 1 minute bull flag here. See if they can drop a little bit more. Nasdaq, S&Ps, I would just be looking to cover right here at 13 if you sold anywhere between 12 and 13. Oh, I got the 1 minute time frame here. Went from 43 to 53. Najee, I would stop. There's the 1 minute bull flag. Something came out. This Nasdaq was down over 100. But this game's so fugazi. If this thing gets up to the 78, 80 range to 10, 74,478 to 29,000, I would go like 08, 508. I look to short it here. Short. I told you it was a 1 minute bull flag right here. See the ADX rising? 76. Nasdaq's fugazi. It's just a fugazi index, really. Gold, this gold 59.5 to 66.5.
Yeah, I would have both.
60 here, 60, 60, 61, 60. There they go. 61. Look at this gold. Just ran 16, 61.5 up to 68.5. All right. This Nasdaq missed it by 2. It's going to drop now. You got 60-minute MACDs negative here. You're making non-confirmations. Nasdaq just got, you short?
Yep.
Shorted more up there, Hope.
I tried.
What do you mean you tried? 76 is the high. Just dropped 20. They're going to drop now. Right back down to 35. Watch. Look at this drop. Look at this drop. Look at this drop. Look at this drop. Missed it by 2. Oh my God. What a drop. Damn. 45. You didn't short any more up there? Where were we shorting?
Hold on.
All right.
I got.
Gotta be fast.
Okay, I missed it.
45. I would have taken the little loss. 34. Gold, if you're short the gold at 61, lower your stops. I would lower your stops. Wow, unbelievable. Missed it by 2. Now it's it is literally was about to cover right here. Right here, 402. So look to cover 90 to 4 to even. All right. Oh yeah. The 1 minute is crazy. All right, we need a drop here on the 5 minute. The fives should start dropping. The fives and okay, NASDAQ, S&Ps, the fives should start dropping. Gold just dropped. The 5 minute time frame's now 66 above the 10 bar. Okay. If this 5 minute time frame 49, you're 60 above 10 bar moving average, 64 above on the 5 minute. See if we get a drop here. 10 bar right here, just on the 1 minute, you're 30 above on the 1 minute. Do that 15 minute time frame all day. Got down to that 03.5. Jesus. NASDAQ got down to 48, just ran 20, moving 20 out of clip. Yep. Something had to come out for this, though. Again, this is one of the reasons why I was calling longs, but the biggest reason was the 15 minute time frame. Now the 15s are getting overbought here, so I do expect another. See the 15s here, and I said the non-confirmations here. So let's see if we get another push down on the 1 minute. Gold went from 42 to 60, 61. See if we get one more push down here. Here we go. Here we go. The fives will get oversold. Let's see. Then you got to look for a pullback on the gold on the 5 minute. You're long. Okay. Can somebody give me a score of the Nick game? Down by 5. Yeah, well, I said the 60-minute time frames were going to turn up. Got down to 40, 42, 43. I said it earlier. I would look to trade the Asia market cookie J. I would. I think the 49-44 is a score, Brian. I heard. $47.44. Thank you, Koa. Still short 34. I would have sold more up there. 76s. What is it? 49. So if it gets to 54, you lose 5 ticks. It's not the end of the world. Again, these 15-minute time frames. So the strategy is if the 60-minute reverses to sell, then you look to short the first bounce on the 5 and then the second bounce on the 15. And this would be the second bounce on the 15. All right. I think that's what you look for. You look for the short there. These 15s should start rolling over here. You're still in a negative trend on the 15, 30, and 60. I mean, the NASDAQ got down to 29,303. So they didn't break that number. So I think when these 15-minute time frames start rolling over, I think it's going to be pretty ugly. And gold, if gold gets up to 61.5, 2 up to 69, I would take a short. You get the 15 and the 30s getting way overbought here as well. NASDAQ just, S&Ps just dropped 4. No, wait, I'm telling you, the Spurs are going to win. I'm not, just because don't think that they're going to let them lose 3 in a row. Too much money in this game. . Anybody tell me where Micron's trading right now, or SanDisk? If anybody can tell me. I said you would have just taken the 5-handle loss. I still think these 15s are going to roll over again. If you want to take another short here on the NASDAQ, okay, 78 up to 08, which we had. If you're short, just look to cover anywhere between the 60 and 71 range. What time is it? Well, in 7 minutes, these 15s are going to be in 85, 87. I expect that. Look at the gold drop. Gold just dropped 3. End of 1651. That's it. Micron 952. That's it. NASDAQ, if you're short there above 78, how fast you got to be on the NASDAQ. Gold just dropped 3. NASDAQ here just dropped 415. I still think these 15s are going to roll over here. When I say roll over, I think at 9:45 you're going to get this, and then boom.
50 to 49.
The Knicks are up?
Yep.
Come on. San Antonio? No way to. Trump says U.S. has declared total victory over Iran in 2 weeks. He said that, really? He couldn't have said that. This is a joke. We're short this NASDAQ again here. 88 up to 08. Cover, take the 5-tick loss.
Sure.
Can't give back a whole day like that. Oh, you had to cover it.
I missed it.
You didn't miss. I said,
I didn't do it.
Yeah, you didn't do it. We won the war again. S&Ps, I'd short them here, 21 up to 28. NASDAQ, 98 up to 18. I'd be short up here. I'd short them again. Right now, 20s. Boom. Look to cover anywhere between the 90 and 10 level here on the NASDAQ. These 15s here. I'm gonna pull bull bear trades. Can you text me 914-500-7484 bull bear trade? Now these 15s they're gonna get kabooshed here. I'm telling you, these 15s are gonna roll over. Nasdaq, S&Ps. It's exactly 1,000 times we won the war. Unbelievable. Nasdaq just ran practically 200 points in the Asia session here. No problem. Bull bear trades. And you finally got the short. You up about 400? No, on that last one. I would be covering shorts here, like I said, between 90 and 10. They're going to get killed. Wait till these 15s roll over. S&Ps look to cover anywhere below 18. But if you cover like that, and I say look to short them again at 28, just short them, right? But you have to be careful in this. But you're already down, so you're already up. So just you would have made back about 500 just now. But no, it would. Okay. Just dropped almost 40 points off the high. What's the high? 920. Gold's dropping. Wow, tied game. Oh, come on. They ran 20 on the NASDAQ. At 9:45, where's these 15s? Boom. Boom. 90 overbought reading. Look out below. Look out below here. If this NASDAQ gets back up to 20 level, 20 up to like 45, 50, I would look to short the NASDAQ here. Look at this 92 overbought reading. No way. No way. 20 just ran. Look at this. 40, almost 40 down, 40 up. NASDAQ, S&Ps, 24 up to 30. I would look to short them. NASDAQ to cover anywhere between the 05 and 20 range. If it drops, these 15s are going to roll over. You're 84 points above the 10-bar weighted moving average here. There you go. Drop 16, 14, 15. How fast you got to be, Solomon?
Yeah.
Anybody can tell me where Marvel's trading? MRVL? MRVL? Knicks took the lead. Like, they're up by 5?
Yeah, going into.
Short the Nasdaq again here. 30 up to 60. $288. Thank you. $289. Thank you. $91.10 Marvel. Thank you, Joe Cook. Steve. There we go, 30. Oh, this Nasdaq so fugazi. Up 230 points. Yeah, to make millionaires, but you don't know what the IPO is going to do after the IPO is going to do. Look at Webull. Webull priced at 79. My friend was worth almost $300 million. Okay, now look at Nasdaq. Look to cover anywhere between the 15 and 30 if you're short. Okay, and now look at it. Okay, now look at Webull. Look at Bull. Okay, you want to see what Bull is? The stock came out at 79, I believe. Right? Look at Bull, $6. Okay. If you can get a pullback here.
Halftime.
They're up by 7? Oh my God. Come on. Nasdaq, look to cover this Nasdaq anywhere between the 18 and 31 range. 27. Are you short? Just dropped 17. No. Met them along the way. All right, 1 minute for the raffle. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. If the 5-minute time frame, 15 goes positive, the lows are in for the day. Okay, I don't know how many people we have here tonight. Let me ask. I don't even know how we got. Okay, 447. Let's see here. 447. Okay, number 13. Number 13. Thank you, Denny. Number 13. Nasdaq should drop here. Number 13 is El Barbarito. El Barbarito. Are you here? Jennifer, get in there. El Barbarito. Are you here? El Barbarito. LBARRETO. Hey, congratulations. That's one. Number 67. Number 67. ZNQ. ZEDNQ. ZNQ. Oh, drop NASDAQ. S&Ps, look to cover below 23 and a half. See, I'd look to cover or lower. ZE, is he here? Looks like number 2. Okay. Number 100, is he here? Okay, number 138. Number 138. NASDAQ's going to get killed. Number 138 is the Trader's Nest. The Trader's Nest. Trader's Nest. Weeble went from 79 to 44. Right, Weeble, right? So think about that. Is he here? That's number 3. Number 262. 262. 262. And that would be Lolly JC 5TZ. Lolly JC 5TZ. Look at the NASDAQ drop.
Yep.
Papa Trump, he won the war again. Unbelievable. Lolly JC 5TZ. Joe Cook, you got to go to My Fund the Futures and be there and wait for the link for the raffle. Okay. Lolly JC 5TZ, are you here? NASDAQ dropping, S&P's dropping. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you can please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. All right, next, so as the rules apply, we go up 1 to ACH MFF. ACH MFF.
It was down.
Hmm?
It was down.
No, it's up 1. Never down 1. It's always up 1.
You called Lolly.
Lolly's not here. So now I go up 1. Yeah, up 1. Okay.
Up one.
ACH MFF. And if he's not or she's here, I go up another 1.
Got it.
Okay. Oh, congratulations. NASDAQ kabooshed. S&P's down 7. 6. Okay. Number 345. Number 345. Number 345, please. Is Martina ACA? Martina ACA? Am I saying it right? Martina ACA? Why not? What's wrong with this method versus the spin? I like doing it like this. Martina ACA? Because the other reason is you guys were making cockamamie names up, and I'm not reading those no more. Okay? Okay? Martina, she's here. Congratulations. You try reading out these crazy YouTube names, okay? I'm not doing it. All right, number 418. 418. 418. How many is that, Jennifer? 5? Okay, 418 is Elias Thorne, 3523. Elias Thorne, 3523. Elias Thorne. Elias Thorne. Elias Thorne. That's 6. Congratulations. Number 57. Number 57. We're going to go in the lows numbers again. Number 57 is, oh my God, Lucio Cardasso 8828. Lucio Cardasso 8828. Look at the NASDAQ drop. Ugh, sick. S&P's dropped 7. Ludacio, congratulations. Number 188. 188. NASDAQ
I was
kabooshed.
straight.
Larry P, 85. I love when new people win. Larry P, 85. Larry P, 85. Gold down 4. All right. Okay. We'll get him back.
No,
Larry
that.
P, 85.
It's not that. It's the
number 8. That's 8. Number 200. 275. Number 275. And that would be, we got 3 minutes to go. Trading Leet. Trading Leet, L-E-E-T. Trading Leet. I think that's how you say it. Trading Leet. Okay. Trading Leet. D Hall. I'm not reading those crazy names anymore, bro. My head hurts. Okay. Trading Leet. Trading Leet. I think he's here. No. Trading, T-R-A-D-I-N-G, Leet, L-E-E-T. Trading Leet. Okay, we're going to have to go up 1. We'll give them about 15, 25, 30 seconds here. Gold just dropped 4. We won the war. NASDAQ went from 350 up to 520. Trading Leet. Are you here? Trading Leet. Next, Donna H, G9P. Donna H, G9P, as in Peter. Look at the NASDAQ drop. Look at this NASDAQ 50. Now, if you want to wait till these 15s roll over, if this NASDAQ gets down to the 55.85, I believe it should be a long here off the 5-minute. Donna, are you here? Okay, number 10 is going to be 365. 365 is Franciolione 1079. Franciolione. Leone 1079. Fran, are you here? Fran? Hey, she's here. Congratulations. Whoa. There you go, Fran. I love when new people win. There you go. NASDAQ's down 60. Right? Wow. What? I just don't understand. All right. There goes the NASDAQ. All right. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Again, if you like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you can please text me your full name and email to my cell phone number 914-500-7484. NASDAQ just got all the way down here to 82. You could look to get out of any longs here between 90 and 95. David, great job. Thank you. NASDAQ, S&P's dropped 10. NASDAQ right back up here. All right. Hope everybody has a great day, great evening. Go watch the Knick game here. And congratulations to all the winners. Again, I want to thank Aaron. I want to thank Matt, Luke, Denny, Jennifer, and all of you. Have a great night. We'll be here tomorrow night from 8 to 10. Please get as many people as you can to get here. My Fund of Futures, the #1 prop firm. God bless you. God bless our troops, and God bless the United States of America. I'll see you all tomorrow night. Be well.